I'm confined to Brasília, wearing an ankle bracelet. There's nothing concrete there. There's no proof of anything.
Jair Bolsonaro, once Brazil's most powerful political figure, is now under mounting legal scrutiny. On July 18th, Brazilian federal police raided the former president's home and political headquarters in a dramatic escalation of the investigation into his alleged role in a failed attempt to overturn the 2022 election. The operation was authorized by Brazil's Supreme Court, and while Bolsonaro wasn't named directly in the police statement, the case is part of a broader probe into efforts to subvert the democratic process following his election defeat. According to multiple local and international reports, Bolsonaro has now been ordered to wear an electronic ankle monitor. The court also imposed strict communication limits, barring him from contacting foreign officials, including ambassadors, and even his own son, Eduardo Bolsonaro, a sitting federal lawmaker. Eduardo has reportedly been lobbying US lawmakers to defend his father's case, a move that now falls under the court's communication ban. In addition, Bolsonaro is prohibited from using social media in mobilizing his political base.
I'm confined to Brasília, wearing an ankle bracelet. They searched my house and found 7,000 reais and approximately $14,000, all with proper origins. It's a new investigation, and I'm also involved. There's nothing concrete there, and the federal police themselves didn't pin me on January 8th. The Attorney General's office went beyond what it saw in the investigation. There's no proof of anything. A coup on a Sunday. A coup without armed forces, without weapons. Besides, I've never thought of leaving Brazil. I never thought about going to the embassy, but the precautionary measures were imposed because of that. I have specific time. I am allowed to be on the streets.
The former president is due to stand trial for allegedly orchestrating a coup attempt to overturn the 2022 election results and remain in power. If convicted, he could face more than 40 years in prison. Bolsonaro has denied any wrongdoing. The case has also drawn attention from US President Donald Trump, a close ally of Bolsonaro. Trump has described the trial as a witch hunt and warned Brazil of economic consequences. In an open letter to Jair Bolsonaro, Trump expressed concern about free speech and an unjust system. I have seen the terrible treatment you're receiving at the hands of an unjust system turned against you. This trial should end immediately. I'm not surprised to see you leading in the polls. You were a highly respected and strong leader who served your country well. I share your commitment to listening to the voice of the people, and I am very concerned about the attacks on free speech, both in Brazil and in the United States, coming out of the current government. I have strongly voiced my disapproval both publicly and through our tariff policy. It is my sincere hope that the government of Brazil changes course, stops attacking political opponents, and ends their ridiculous censorship regime. I will be watching closely. Brazil's Supreme Court is yet to issue a detailed public statement about the operation on July 18th. But the court's latest actions, ordering the ankle monitor, restricting communication, and authorizing the raids, signal that the case is accelerating. From police raids to international tensions, the legal and political stakes surrounding Jair Bolsonaro continue to rise, highlighting a broader global reckoning, political accountability, and the rule of law.